Use of this, that. The word this is used to point out a thing which is near. The word that is used to point out a thing which is far. This is a car. That is a tree. This is a chair. That is a bus. This is a cake. That is a rabbit.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.